Alright, up next on the bench is a Sansui G3000 with a price tag of $3. I did not pay $3, but someone got a heck of a deal at some point in time for $3. It's pretty decent, assuming it works. And I have plugged this one in, and I do get sound. And this is going to be kind of a basic cleanup service type video. Alright, so I'm going to clean that off. So what I'm going to do is pop the cover off, clean the controls, test all the inputs, make sure everything's working, and then do a cosmetic clean on the face. Okay, looks like another one where the controls are going to be pretty easy to get to. So I'm going to go through and do just a basic control cleaning on this. Then I'll pull down the service manual and see what kind of adjustments we need to do to this. And give it a cosmetic cleanup and get this one down the road. Well, there's one non-original knob. So let's see if I have something in here that'll work. Feet. It's from a Pioneer. I thought I had some knobs for a Sansui in here somewhere. Those are for like a 4,000, 5,000. No. Nope. 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 Those are Sansui, but, well, at least one of them's a Sansui. So, yeah, none of those work here. I got another stash. Let me see if I can find something. Yeah, this is about as good as I'm going to get it. Because this is what I need. This is what I have. So at least size-wise, it's a good size. So I'm going to, now that I've cleaned all the controls, throw these in some water and some dish soap, clean these up. I'm going to pull down the service manual, look for any alignment procedures, and then we'll do a test, make sure this sounds good. I'll do some cosmetic cleanup on this. In fact, I'll probably do that first, then I'll come back and do the alignment procedures. Alright, so bias current adjustment's pretty easy on this. I've already done the left channel. I'm doing the right channel now. Clip the leads across the emitter resistors. Now I've got the leads backwards, so we're going to get a negative bias. We're supposed to adjust for 10 millivolts. I'm at 9.8, so there's really nothing to adjust. Left channel was the same way. So I would adjust VR4 or VR5. Little pot right there. I'm not going to adjust it because I'm at negative, well, I'm at 10 millivolts. Because I have them reversed, it shows negative 10. So this is good. This is dialed in. Sounds good. Looks good. All the pots are clean. Whoever once upon a time paid $3 for this I think they scored a pretty good receiver for not a lot of money. Can you see the non-original knob? Yeah, it's right there, but you know, for a receiver like this, entry level, someone else can, whoever buys this, can source a knob for it. Probably get it for less than 20 bucks. So, alright, so I'm going to put this back together. It's been all cleaned up. I did not do the cabinet yet. And what's really neat about this is I can't tell you how many of these, like 47, 4700, 5700, 6700, where these plastic sleeves for the cabinet screws are cracked and all of these are intact. So that's awesome. So anyway, I'm going to finish putting this together, and this is going to head out the door. So as always, if you like what you see, hit like, hit subscribe. Again, Sansui G3000, pretty sharp looking. Catch you in the next video.